Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cameron Ernst. I'm here at Bud Chevrolet in Oakville, Ontario, and I got something special for you. I have the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This vehicle has been fully redesigned for the 2019 model year, and it is absolutely stunning. With a brand new design, giving it a nice big bold look on the road with improved front end size, improved height, improved width, and improved length, giving you that nice bold look on the road. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you do have these very nice LED C-shaped headlighting system, as well as your LED fog lighting system. Now with the available block heater, they did also do a beautiful job integrating it right into the fog light in behind the panel here, which you just pop a panel clip in behind, and it will pop out, and your block heater is installed right in behind there, giving it a nice clean look so you don't have a wire hanging down out of your front grille of your beautiful truck. Along the front end, you do have front parking sensors located on the front bumper. Your red accented recovery hooks, because yes, it's an AT4, it's an all-terrain vehicle, and if you ever do get stuck in the mud or in the dirt, you do have functional tow hooks right on the front of your vehicle to get you out of those situations. Down the side of the vehicle, you do get improved wheel wells. The wheel well shape has changed quite dramatically. They now have rounded off all of the corners inside of there, allowing you to put more rubber and a bigger rim on the vehicle with the factory design. Now with the factory design, it does also come with a 2-inch lift. So from the factory, from the original engineers, it does have a lift kit already installed, preventing you having to go out and do an aftermarket job. Being factory installed is it does come with its full warranty on the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about anything going wrong. Underneath the hood, you do have a few different powertrain options. You do have in this model here the 5.3 liter V8. It is also available with the 6.2 liter V8. Both engines come with an amazing technology called dynamic fuel management. Dynamic fuel management, a little bit different than what it was before with active fuel management, being that it will now shut off all but one of your cylinders if it needs to, and it will do anything in between. On the side of the vehicle, you do have presence lights available all the way around. These lights here will illuminate with a bright white LED, giving you a lot of visible light around. So if you're at a dark campsite or whatever it may be, you can light these up to allow for a lot more proximity lighting. Down the side of the vehicle, they did add a beautiful body line, probably one of my favorite body lines they've added to a pickup truck, which starts all the way at the front mirror and travels all the way down the vehicle and ties in beautifully into your LED rear taillights. The rear taillights are very nice design. They are an LED light inside as well, which has a very, very quick response speed. So the second you touch the pedal, within milliseconds, the lights are fully illuminated, giving people behind you tons of time to notice your car. Now, talking about lights, they've added another really cool light, which may seem silly to some people, but if you ever hooked a trailer up at night, you'll know how awesome this is. A part of your bed light is this little guy right here. It shines down right where your hitch and wiring would be. At night, when this light is illuminated, you'll be able to see all of your connections, all of your chains, and your hitch right in place. When we get inside the vehicle, we'll talk a little bit more about the cameras that the vehicle has to offer, and this light plays a crucial role of having good visibility at night to go through everything. Also right here, we have another awesome new feature available on certain vehicles, but it is the Pro Tailgate from GMC. On this tailgate, it gives you a ton of different options. Yes, you have your normal one-click drop and your soft drop for your normal bed. You also have the option of dropping just the top half of the bed. By dropping this, it does give you the flexibility of having a pad to write on or whatever you may need. It also can be used as a bed extender, which you can use inside your bed to keep items secured if you needed that extra few inches of space, bringing anything home from from your hardware store or anything like that. Now another feature, you can depress both of these buttons as it drops, and you get a nice smooth flow, giving you again an extra 6-7 inches, giving you more reach inside the vehicle. So even if something like this is in your way, you can still reach into the bed. Inside the bed, you do get your bed handle, which makes it easy to enter and exit your bed. And to make that even easier, one last feature of the tailgate would be your step. This step can hold up to 375 pounds, and it makes it very simple to hold on and hop in the bed of the truck. Getting out of the bed, same idea, makes it very easy and very simple to do. Now, talking about bed steps, another improved feature on the 2019 Sierra is the corner steps. The corner steps have been enlarged quite a bit. They've also improved the traction on the bottom of the bed steps here. They've increased the size because a lot of people have big work boots on when they're getting into the vehicle. And that allows for any size work boot to fit in easily and hop right into the back of your truck. All right, so now we're gonna look on the inside of your vehicle here. We're gonna start in the back of your vehicle because now with the new 2019 GMC Sierra, we take a lot of care into your passengers that are in the back seat of your vehicle. So inside the back of the vehicle, again, you still get your beautiful two-tone leather, but you also get these class-inclusive first in-seat storage systems to allow for extra storage inside the back seat of the car. They just fold down nice and easily. You also get your fold-down cup holders for your second row, as well as a very easy lift for your third row if you ever needed the seats out of your way, whether you had a big dog or tools you wanted to lock up inside your bed. Inside the cab story, you have lots of space to do so. Your tools for your spare tire and everything are stored nicely underneath as well, and they are locked down so you don't have to worry about them clunking around.
All right, so now we are inside the beautiful 2019 GMC Sierra, and just to start off on the left side of the dash, we do have a new mode selector, which will allow you to switch between different drive modes, including tow haul, an off-road mode, sport mode, and a tour mode, similar to other GM vehicles, now available inside the pickups. You do still have our auto track 4x4 selector, your 4 high, your 4 low, and a 2-wheel drive mode, now with a button instead of a dial for easier switch. You do have all your lighting controls, your fog light, your bed lighting, your dimness or brightness of the inside dash, as well as your automatic headlight selector. Now, probably one of the coolest features now offered in the GMC Sierra is going to be the new trailering setup inside your main radio display. So not only have your home screen, on your home screen you will have a section purely for trailering. So if you click on the trailering section, it will tell you there's no trailer connected. Now once you have a trailer connected, this will show up and you can have individual trailers saved to the radio. So for instance, we can go through your trailers here and select which one you were using. So say we're going to add a new trailer profile, we're going to select that. You can name your trailer whichever you like. You can select which kind of hitch it's using, so it's using a conventional hitch, your boat, whatever it may be, and your basic setup is completed. On your advanced setup, you'll be able to test your lighting systems, check for your brakes, tire condition, and set timers for those, so that way you know exactly how much life you have left on your tires or when it's due for an inspection. Same thing again on the tires there. So once that's all set up and you have everything selected, all you'd have to do is select the trailer that you're doing once it's connected, and you'll be able to run your lighting tests. You'll be able to, again, go through your checklist, say for this, to make sure everything is properly secured, make sure everything is locked into place, and all your lights and everything are working properly. That way it keeps everything nice and clean inside the radio of the car, and you can do it yourself. Now, we also have a video here of showing all your different cameras that you're available to use. Now, this video, the videos that come out of the vehicle are unbelievable. You have a top-down view, you have a front view, a rear view. You're also going to have a really cool trailer view, and on that trailer view, it's going to give you a direct bird's eye view of just your hitch and receiver, so you'll be able to back up to your trailer. On the inside here, again, we do have one other really neat feature, which is going to be your rear view mirror. Now, what could this be? It's just a basic rear view mirror. Not so much. If you just select the night mode or switch the little switch underneath, you will bring up a live stream of what's behind the vehicle. Now, new for 2019, well, not new, but in a new position, you'll be able to click on the buttons at the bottom here, and you'll be able to adjust the brightness of the display. You'll also be able to change the zoom of the display, and you can also change the angle of which the display is showing. So that way you can really customize it to be the exact way you want it. And simply, if you didn't want that view on anymore, you just select the little switch underneath and it goes back to your standard rear view mirror.
Alright folks, thanks very much for watching this video. I hope we learned a ton. I really wish you could visit us in the dealerships so we can show you in person. Give us a visit on Bud Chevrolet, and we'd be more than happy to show you one for yourself today.